Oh my god, you're never gonna believe what I made the other day.
What?
Food! Oh hey, didn't see you there.
Hey, are you struggling with your healthy summer eating habits?
Well, you're in luck because we're offering a really amazing price.
Here's what you get. A healthy summer eating coaching call with me.
And a free virtual cooking class with me. I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef.
And I'm Cassandra with Gratitude Strength Food. And we've teamed up to offer you this amazing sweepstakes.
You know what else would be cool? To offer them some kind of cooking tool they could use.
What about, like a pineapple?
No! Like a ninja!
Oh my god! I've always wanted one of those!
Well, you're in luck. So enter our sweepstakes now. The instructions are down below in the description. Don't miss out on our exclusive prize, the Ninja, a cooking class, and
a pineapple! Oh, a coaching call with me. You get 1 week. Enter hashtag
Mint Gratitude Sweeps.
Hashtag
Mint
Gratitude
Sweeps.
And he was trying to fry eggs with a light bulb.
What the heck? Oh.
And I told her, you can't fit a whole tray of brownies in a blender.
Oh my god!
And I said, I'm not gonna wear the same mask your dog wore. And I was like, that is not my spatula.
Oh my god! It's like, oh my god, and he totally didn't even measure it out.
Oh my god!
Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, and it was fresh as mint.
Oh my gosh! And he had the setting on convection.
What the heck? Oh my gosh, didn't see you there. Mint Gratitude Sweeps.